enjoy yourself. But I'm with. No. Hello people, it's your boy Prince and I'm back in the place with another epic video. As you can see, I clearly have on this. I don't know how to say this. I don't like these stuff, but I will be making some custom ones myself. As a couple spare one, just in case anyone around will go buy one of them. I'm a merch mask. You see, look at me now. Look at me now. Shit come off my face. You know, if you come with a funny, you know, put it on, bro. So, as I was saying, one if you're not hearing me clearly, hope so. If not, what did this video? As I was saying, for today's video, I'll be telling a story time in which last night within my room, so long I made something and I made some pass. And I see, and I ex them, I want to girl them lecture. Pictures together. From I say, yeah, I remember one time, we get caught in this sticky situation. Why find that? I don't know why I come this about just why. Get caught in this sticky situation. That was then when I was like, yeah, Z. You don't see the word, whatever the stuff and stuff. I feel like a car, but no, I am not. Quite long because I never speak calm and I catch up so quick because I used to roam street, you know, people. People used to say, oh, boy, Zach, you know, but boy, to that we go on in a brother. Just used to go hard, man. It was, back then it was just me. It was just me. And then me, Ryan and Ryan started roam together, started chopping like tune, all kind of things around and chatting. You know what, and trying to chat the dark skin girls, man. You don't chat nothing about that, that time. Not that alone. I try and do maths and you see me pattern. So, this is when I didn't have Iran. I was, not to my boy ago. No, I grade me now. I know, because boom, there's this little thing where ever keep at this place every. Not April, sometimes April, every time I keep. So yeah, I ever go there. I never miss it. My marriage, I ever go there. I tell you, ever. So I never miss it. So, at time I go on the road, you see me? So, this is how it went down. I'm a girl that talk, my ex that talk, you see me? She had say, yo, yeah, go. I say, yeah, man, yeah. And she said, and then the other girl, I said, yo, yeah, I'll go. I'm going to say, oh shit. I said, yeah, but me tell my girlfriend, say me I go 9 o'clock. I go either 9 or 8. Tell the other girl say I go 6. You see me? So I had to separate them because the first other girl said she will go sometime between 4 and 5 and left 8. So the time when she had left, the other girl come. Watch how I go on, you know. So she know what's her bombs go 3 instead of 4, where she said she'd go 4. The other one will be that chop. Then I go we link up, we have a time, I enjoy myself. Then I'm with no. Like what chill, no. No. We just enjoy as if she was like quiet and nice. Thick, brown. You know, spine the foot. You know what? Sick. Someone said she did thick, nice and brown skin, but my skin lean. You know what you not to know? Nice girl, my brother. Things are go on, you know. I say, I talk. I go for walk. I find a beach, they keep on to a beach. I find a beach, I sling or did I chat. All kind of things to buy ice cream, you know. I go on a date, you see me? So this go on. I talk to them, I talk to someone you will know me. I say, yo. So then I say, just in case, tell me, keep them a guard now. One of them keep a guard. I say, yeah, just in case I say, other girl come. But shout me. But me now, I say, she just me, she not going to do nothing. She not going to come early or nothing. So, the 5 o'clock I reach now. And, oh, go on. Give me a minute, people. Somebody call me. Oh! Bang again. So, back to the video. Somebody interrupt me a long about, anyways, forget about that. We are talking about some business, isn't it? So 5 o'clock I reach and me I say something like that. And the girl, and I still do that chat. And the beach I still all kind of something. I enjoy myself. Isn't it? So 6 now. Still I enjoy myself and I'm going with things on stage and all that. Oh, no bag of shit. Did I watch you and well relax? You know, you go to the woman, you're well fresh like a boss, man. You know, boss. So, this is where things get. So, 6:30, somewhere along 6:30 this up. A man comes a boom and stand up next to me. I say, yo, and I'm cheating, I say, yo, don't move. And I say, woman, I say, don't move, man. I say, don't move. I was there. This is me and the girl. So this is me and the girl. And like, so this is the nigga. Nigga like right next to me. You see me? And like, the girl, wow, good brother. It's my girl. She did. You don't even know obviously. She tall me and rough, you see me? Not really rough, you know, those. He's jealous and he can't do the taka and me head and the bag argument, you see me? When you hear bag argument, I love and go about business, you see me? Avoid that as best as possible. If I come in a bag of man style and cussing on my head, I just leave you alone. And that she follow up completely. So, yo, I'm the man I'm making me just come on my car. Them people here. You know it again. So yeah. Back to my story time now. I got so many interrupted calls. Sorry about that, that's it. Little business thing I deal with. Sorry for me saying language. So, what did they? Oh, she passed me. She passed me and whatever. So the other girl, I did a link. When I get her, I said, that's not link and everything, she rate me. You know, she never say yes, she want to be the TFF. Isn't it? So the girlfriend come and things escalate a little bit because she a call. You're supposed to be there. She a call no can't reach. So if she see my friend them, I say go me there. And then say I reach it, you see? And then go and talk and I keep her and come up on the side, go me there. You see me? She did on the other side, they are wait and cook and I get very upset. This other girl now, I try to move from the other girl now. She was say, I go and cling on to me more. This shit never end well for me. And so me did it. I watch the stage show. I'm phone up on a thing like this. And I'm pocket. Cancer. She said, oh, what call? I said, I believe my friend of mine show up and kind of things. And she said, so I answer them now. I said, no sir, me ain't there. She said, answer them man. Put up say them people. She said, why? Like check it kind of suspicious. So I said, don't worry about that. I don't know. So I go off the phone. Phone go off and I have the phone in the pocket. And then she have a cousin with her and the cousin said, alright. I go ahead now. Me now. This is where I almost get my minute, bro. So me now, she's every father I go out of the place, go look at bus, go home. And as I was going to step out, I saw my girlfriend, sister, friends, acquaintance, and everyone of them would know me. I didn't have on a cap, so I go so, hold on the cap, so. You see me? First time with that guy, every week, I got somebody, you wear different clothes, bro. You know, pose everything you see. First time wearing that cap, bro. And you come in and I say, and call me name, but me no answer, you see me? Go up the road, and go and wait. I use this little shortcut of going to the place. You see, so I take through this up. I turn on my phone now, and take off the cap. Put the cap in my strap bag. You see, put the strap bag around me, so. Drop over to the bank cap, you see, and just fresh me here up, and go back in the party. So I go back now, I show the man and say, yo, where she there? That's when I go bounce it and go around there. This is the first thing. Why phone it turn up? I see there. Phone battery that dead, so that's why I turn off my phone. After I go on some man, you see what I call? I said, what one me I call every day? That's what I like, you want your car? And then I turn the blame for it, see me? That's it, play like a god. So, I calm her down, and things get calm. You see me? So we go and enjoy, and things go on, and we do the do, which is nothing, and we enjoy ourselves. This is where I almost get from good to freaking worse. Get a girl supposed to go a yard, she did not go. Family member then come down there. Someone asked them older than her and something. And she said, she come back. I'm just there. Yo, that's it. And I pretend like somebody's going to come girlfriend and look at her. She said, she just ignored me. She said, now come back ready. This is where shit turns bad for me. We'd have like something this chain here. And you want someone can put your finger through the party. You see, my girlfriend have her finger through it, and she would never ever let go of that thing. I tell her, she never let go of it. So she said with me there, I said, I'm going to check your box. You see, I do something with my friend. I had a friend him something. She come down to try to search for me, she come and find me. You see, she asked my friend and them, when I friend him after me, and she said they don't know. I'm really talking to them now, can't call nobody me right now. And me go to the girl. And I see me and tell her, say, yo, give 5 or 6 weeks, come and do something in front of a woman. So she turn her up. Say! You know, and bull get hungry, brother. I'm making rated bull, I'm not coming about the lies. We don't make it fierce, brother. So yeah, and come out again. Do what you do, talk to her. You see me? So I can go to the yard, come here, things to do in the next morning as well. That's how I go the next morning. And the other girl, come get up, go home on the bus. I'm come off and stop. Head up meal, come to my house, come my clothes, bed, go up and go on my bed and sleep. See me? So everything turned out good. This is what I actually think was going to turn out. The girl come to me after who that problem, and the girlfriend turned around and said, oh that bitch and blah blah blah, and box me on face. But in which and I never said nothing about that. It's in Lord that alone. The story time I did just like the two of us say nothing. But me I say, hope you enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe. You see it? You see me? It was like a very situation, you see me? I don't like it. A very tough situation. Very, very tough situation. I don't even know why I was being like that. But that time passed, you see me? I'll be like that now, you see me? Because for them girl there, you them give them bun and shoot in your ass. Ain't that right, Kyle? You can't that right. You shoot your bun. You check in your face. You got 6'6". I'm coming up to the house. And that's something. People like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment, you see it, and turn on post notification. We're on our way to 600 subscribers, and then 700, then 800, then 900, and 1K, and then I want for 1K, 100, whatever. Remember, 100 goes straight, and 1 million subscribers together, you see it. We're growing together. January start. You know, you feel nauseous, but yeah, like, share, subscribe. Pick up on yourself. Yo, friggin' place hot like fire. The airline look like shit. Me go line up and feed up. And that's the place hot like fire people. You not even know. Me to sweet and run out and come like the fuck. Could it? Yeah. It's your boy Prince Zach and I'm back in the place with another epic video. That look weird and fuck with my more. Why? Because you can't be there for you better chat me a shit. I want.
Said I walk, said I walk, said I walk. Said I walk, said I walk, said I walk. Said I walk, said I walk, said I walk. Yeah, yeah. They was hating cause I'm popping. Try to hold me back but I ain't never ever stopping. All this money on me, I feel like I just went shopping. She was trying to cut but I told her